The voiceover was done with VoiceMaker text-to-speech software. Link is in the description. So firstly go to Window, Package Manager, and then install Cinemachine. Now on the top you will see Cinemachine. Click it and select Create Dolly Camera with Track. Now assign your player to the follow and look at transforms. Let's try that. It's working. Thanks for watching, and a special thanks to voicemaker.in for some awesome text-to-speech. Link is in the description. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.